Hello, good morning, all of you. How to join Zoom meeting? So, for that, first you have to go to Google Play Store and you have to install Zoom Cloud Meeting app. Okay, so click on this install button and it will start installing. So, let it complete the installation first. Okay, now installation is completed and here now you can see open. So click on open. So app will load. Okay, now on this screen, first of all you have to sign up here if you are using it first time. Okay, so I have already signed up, so I will just start it in signing, but you have to sign up for the first time. So give your confirmation of date of birth, whatsoever it may be, just move it like this, year, date, etc. Okay, or directly also you can use the number. So like this you can change the your date of birth. Okay, after that it will ask you first the email ID. Okay, so just enter your email ID, whatsoever it may be, the email ID you want to give here. So you can click here email ID. Okay, so enter your name and last name and just click on sign up. After signing up, it will ask you the confirmation message, so that you have to confirm from your Gmail account. In Gmail you will get that confirmation message, activation message. Okay, I have already signed up, so I am directly putting my email ID here and signing in. So I am here now. Click on sign in. So it is going to connect. So here first page is open here. Okay, after that, whenever you want to join any of the meeting, so here also you can click join meeting. If you received any ID, so put that ID here like this, whatsoever it may be, that number, and click on join. After joining, it will ask you any password. If any password is given there, so that you have to put there and you are join in the meeting. Here you can change the name, by what name you want to join. So you can click your name here. Okay, so like this, any name you can put here. Okay, so better way, give your actual name if you are using this meeting for the any educational purpose or any classroom, etc. So write down your real name here. Okay, so in this way you will get the message. So on this blue color text, that is a link, and that is the email ID, sorry, meeting ID, and passcode is also given here. So if you are going to click this link, it will ask you to join. So open with Zoom. So I am sitting here, I always want to open this link with Zoom app, so I am clicking here remember my choice. So next time whenever you are going to open it, it will directly open into the Zoom app. So I am clicking it on Zoom, so it will take me to the Zoom meeting. Okay, so like this message will be there. waiting for the host to start this meeting. So now this message will go to the host, and when he will admit you, at that time you will join that meeting. Okay, the meeting will be start there. Okay, here is one practice meeting is there. So at present I am the only participant here. So whenever the host, the person who is the controller or the admin of that meeting, he will add you. So at that time you will get join in this meeting. So here you will you can start your video and you can unmute your mic. So whenever you are getting such a messages, so you have to press allow. Okay, so from this you can start mute unmute your voice, your mic. Here speaker is also there, so using that speaker at the upper right corner you can mute or on the speaker also. Participants are here, so in this list you will see the participants. Beside this, if you click on the more, three dots are there at the downside right hand side corner. More is there on that three dots, so click on that three dot for more setting. So here you will see, now I am the host of this meeting, so some options are not available for me. So here chat option is also there. So from this chat you can send the message either to everyone in the meeting, or if not allowed you can send the message to the teacher also. Beside this, here raise hand option is also there. So if you click on that raise hand option, the teacher will see that someone raise the hand, means he want to talk with you, so teacher can unmute you. Okay, so in this way you can use the raise hand option. If your query is going to solve, again click the more option and now click on the lower hand option, so it will be gone. So like this you can use the meeting.